First exercise. Let's begin with working with the upper lip from both sides. Take upper lip and we are doing massage and light stretching. And this exercise from buccal massage, it's very helpful to prevent, reduce and remove wrinkles around your lips. Do it 3 to 4 times for each lip. Okay, great. And now we need to work with the corners of your lips. Take the corner. Great. For good results, do this exercise regularly 2-3 times a week. Please like, subscribe to the channel.